Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Injective INJ token. Highly requested, project that, my viewers want me to cover. So this is for you guys. So let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Injective right now, INJ token, it's currently trading at $8.20. It's up 18.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 14.6% in Bitcoin and 16.3% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $654 million with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $182 million. Now comes the question, what exactly is happening with INJ token? What are some next price targets we could be looking at? So let's get right into it. Now, before we get into that, let's just look at the history of this token. When was this token really launched, and when was the all-time high, when was the all-time low? That's what we're going to talk about. So all-time low was November 3rd, 2020. So this project was launched back in 2020, and it was at 65 cents. And since then, it's up 1,143%, and all-time high was April 30th, 2021. At almost about $25 per INJ token. And you can see it's making some massive strides within the space, up 101% just over the last 30 days. So we're going to talk about what's happening with the price. What are some next price targets we could be looking at? We're going to analyze the charts. So if you like these kind of videos, come join the Crypto ZX army. So let's get right into it. So if we're looking at INJ token, before I begin, guys, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go look at the bigger picture. So if we're looking at the bigger picture, this chart is looking really bullish. This breakout that we're seeing happen, shows a strength that this project has for itself. We'll get more into detail with that, but you can see it did hit about $25, depending on which exchange you were, on. Some exchanges, it might have already hit $25 at the previous cycle. So we'll just take $25.31 as its all-time high, and you can see this project had made some massive gains. So if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys and I really measure from its all-time highs, we are down about 68%, and I'm really liking as to what I'm seeing with this project, the strength it's showing. So basically, let's go down memory lane. So back on May, originally when majority of the cryptocurrency markets really started crashing, the bear market really started, things were looking insanely bloody across the markets. That was what happened to everything, like literally everything, you name it, it happened to, and INJ is obviously no exception. So you can see we were trading below this level of resistance at that $4 mark. We did see it hit all the way down to almost that $1.14 mark, and pretty much consolidated within that range. Really didn't retest that level of resistance at that $4 mark until this year. So if you picked some INJ token up this year at the beginning of the year, so January 1st, let's bring out the measuring tool and see what type of gain you have made within that time. So if you picked it up at the beginning of the year, you're almost looking at a 6x from that range. So that is really impressive. So anyone that got in around that, let me know in the comment section and give yourself a pat on the back, because that was a beautiful time to be picking some up. And look at the power of this resistance. You guys can see it was trying to break out of this level of resistance earlier this year, and you can see we did get rejected a few times, 1 time, 2 times, and even 3 different times. The 4th time was the charm where we finally broke and almost went all the way up to that $10 mark, which is just last week. We're still unable to retest this level of resistance at that $10.20 mark. Huge level of resistance coming up for INJ token right now. If we break out of this level of resistance, guys, we could see this token with the momentum that it has on its side, and it's been outperforming the entire market right now without a doubt. So we could definitely see it retest some prices from November 2021, which were around that $14 to $15 mark. So we're really facing some insane level of resistance right now. Obviously the buying pressure is on its side. We did see it have the impact because of the Bitcoin retracement that Bitcoin has seen within its price, everything in the market had an impact due to that, and obviously INJ is no exception. We saw the price go all the way down to that $6.38 mark, and if you picked it up around there, you are already up about 27% in just a matter of a day and a half. So that shows the strength this project has for itself. If you are a holder, guys, your eyes should be on this level of resistance at that $10.20 mark. If we break out of here, things can really start heating up very fast. Yes, we are approaching massive levels of resistance even after that, because after that $15 price point, we're talking all-time high zone then. So things are looking quite well for this project, even despite the fact that we did see Bitcoin retrace. It has held really impressively, and that speaks for itself. So this is currently my analysis on it. I would love to see it start retesting yearly highs, especially break above this level of resistance. Maybe we might see ourselves find a little bit of a choppiness around there, but if the volume is on its side, would not be surprised if it breaks out of here. So this is the current analysis on this. Let me know if you guys want me to cover it more, and yeah, come join the Crypto ZX army if you have not already done so. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.